Learn basic math with me in 8 seconds. You can also pause for extra time. Count the given toys to find the answer easily. Let's do this. Let's start with the easy one. How much is 1 plus 0? One? Yes, 1 plus 0 is 1. How much is 1 plus 1? One, 2. Aha! 1 plus 1 is 2. How much is 1 plus 2? One, 2, 3. Wow! 1 plus 2 is 3. How much is 3 plus 1? One, 2, 3, 4. Yay! 3 plus 1 is 4. How much is 3 plus 2? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh? 3 plus 2 is 5. How much is 3 plus 3? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! 3 plus 3 is 6. How much is 5 plus 2? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 5 plus 2 is 7. How much is 5 plus 3? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grr! 5 plus 3 is 8. How much is 6 plus 3? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Grr! 6 plus 3 is 9. How much is 2 plus 8? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Heh 2 plus 8 is 10. How much is 4 plus 7? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 plus 7 is 11.